Hi, I'm Virginia.
And I'm Gabrielle. We're both nurse practitioners at Children's Community Pediatrics.
We're here today to talk with our teen ambassadors about the importance of taking care of your skin.
So, why do you guys think it's important to take care of your skin?
It's important to take care of our skin now because it'll affect us long term. We don't want wrinkles or skin cancer.
And once we get older, it'll be too late to undo any of the damage.
That's right. You're young now, so it might not seem like it's that important or like any damage is happening to your skin, but the long-term effects are adding up. Our skin is the largest organ in our body, but sometimes it often gets overlooked.
Washing your face is a great option. You can do it morning and night.
Also using moisturizer, making sure your skin's not dry.
You can even get some moisturizers with sunscreen in it.
It's especially important to wash your face after exercising to get all the sweat and dirt off your body.
All right, so those are all really great points. So let's talk about face washing. Let's dive into that a little bit farther. How often do you guys wash your face and what's your normal routine?
I wash my face morning and night, and I always use a gentle cleanser first, and then I follow up with a moisturizer and a toner.
I wash my face every night before I go to bed, usually after I get out the shower with a face cleanser, and then I end off with a moisturizer.
In the morning, I wash my face with like a sensitive cleanser, and then I use moisturizer and a toner.
I wash my face every night. I make sure to take all of my makeup off and then wash it with a foaming cleanser no matter how tired I am, because I will regret it if not in the morning.
Washing your face properly can make a big difference in your appearance. There are some basic steps that you should follow when washing your face.
First, use a gentle, non-abrasive cleanser.
Wet your face with lukewarm water and use your fingertips to apply the cleanser.
Resist the temptation to scrub your skin too hard.
Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry with a soft towel.
Next, you can apply any medications or treatments you're using for your skin, like acne creams.
Apply your daily moisturizer if your skin is itchy or dry.
And limit face washing to twice a day and after sweating.
So I love doing my makeup, and my mom told me that cleaning your makeup brushes is another important thing to do when you're taking care of your skin.
That's right. So your brushes can collect a lot of extra residue from your makeup, but also the dirt and oils from your face create a breeding ground for bacteria on your brushes. So are you guys able to show us how to properly wash your brushes?
Rinse the tips of your brushes under lukewarm running water to remove excess makeup.
Fill a bowl with lukewarm water and a tablespoon of either gentle shampoo or clarifying shampoo.
Swirl each brush tip in the bowl.
Rinse the brush tips under running water. Continue shampooing and rinsing each brush until the water runs clear from the brush.
Squeeze out excess moisture with a clean, dry paper towel. Lay your brushes flat to dry on a towel with the tips hanging off of the edge of the counter.
So we covered keeping your face clean, but I know that sun protection is important too. A lot of the people at my school just want to be tan all the time.
Yeah, so, a lot of people think a tan looks good, but think about every time you're in the sun, it's damaging your skin. And not only in the short term, but the long term. Think wrinkles, and it can increase your risk of skin cancer.
So what are some of the ways that you guys protect yourself from the sun?
Suntan lotion is really important because it keeps your skin away from the harmful UV rays of the sun.
And it's important for all skin types to wear sunscreen.
You can even wear hats, long sleeves, just stay in the shade.
No matter what, stay away from the tanning bed. Pick up some self-tanning lotion instead.
So for sunscreen, you always want to make sure you choose a broad spectrum, something that's water resistant, at least SPF 30 or higher. And then even on cloudy days, it's important because you're still getting exposed to the UV rays.
And it's not enough to just apply sunscreen once a day. You should be reapplying every 2 hours after swimming or sweating. And no matter what skin type you have, whether you're dark or fair, whether you tan easily, always burn or freckle, everyone should be wearing sunscreen.
And that goes for everything we've talked about today. Skincare is really important for all teens, both girls and guys.
Thank you guys so much for those great tips today. If you liked what you saw and learned something, like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Thanks so much for watching, and remember, together we're navigating teen life.